Yeah, this waterfall's going. Look at that. Some ducks, some rocks. Ooh. Look at that. And you can design your waterfall with anything. Put just greeneries, some flowers, flat stones. Oh, and look on this side. An old little pot. Yeah, but it's like a waterfall with another waterfall. Got two. I like this one. This is cute. Yeah, kind of cute. Put your green flowers and everything all around. Yeah, because it probably shoots right off the top. Oh, okay. They need more water in it. Make it flow right up. Wow, that's cute. There you go.